A man unexpectedly stepped onto the steel cutting machine, but when the machine touched him, it split directly into two halves. When the several-ton iron hammer smashed towards him, it instantly shattered, and even the indestructible hydraulic press seemed like paper in front of him. The reason he did this was to save Oliver, who on his first day at work had welded himself into the sheet metal. Realizing something was wrong, he immediately cried out in terror for help. Hearing the noise, Popeye was about to step forward to heroically save the day, but was unexpectedly tripped by Brutus, who got there first. However, Brutus's method of rescue was nothing short of a new disaster for Oliver. Believing in brute force, he started pulling with all his might, completely ignoring Oliver's safety inside. Fortunately, Popeye quickly threw out a hook to forcibly pull him away, but then Popeye's actions were even more outrageous. He took a saw and split the metal, trapping Oliver in two. It was thought that Oliver would be in grave danger, but unexpectedly he was unharmed and even wanted to give Popeye a kiss. Seeing this, the furious Bluto certainly wouldn't let him succeed, but unexpectedly, Oliver was also hit on the head by the hook. Dazed and seeing stars, he stumbled towards the operating production line. Each step he took was nerve-wracking, and the situation was extremely critical. Fortunately, his luck wasn't too bad, as each step landed precisely in the machine's safe spots. When Popeye woke up from his dizziness, he found that Oliver had already walked onto the giant gear. In a panic, he hurriedly tried to move the machine's switch, but was unexpectedly stopped by Bluto. During this delay, Oliver had reached the edge of the high-speed cutting machine, and was on the brink of danger. Popeye decisively stepped forward, broke the track, and flung the troublesome Bluto away. Then, at the critical moment of Oliver's life, he timely threw out the hook and pulled him up. Unexpectedly, the unwilling Brutus threw out a magnet, and both of them wanted to pull Oliver to their side, naturally refusing to give in, starting a tug-of-war from a distance. After some pulling, Oliver almost fell into the furnace below, but fortunately, there was a steel wire blocking the way. Seeing the situation was dire, Popeye quickly used a plank to make a simple bridge to go for the rescue. However, Bluto, the sly one, secretly sabotaged it at this moment. As the molten steel gradually cooled, Popeye was suddenly stuck to the plank. Seeing his plan succeed, Bluto immediately grabbed a super net to try to catch Olive. But unexpectedly, just as he was about to succeed, the net was ignited by the high temperature of the furnace below, and Olive suddenly fell down. Fortunately, he was once again favored by Lady Luck, and fell onto the steel bars being transported. Meanwhile, Popeye, who was stuck, finally found a way to free himself. Using his pipe, he opened a can and quickly inhaled the spinach. Regaining his strength, he immediately went to rescue Oliver, but was unexpectedly pulled back by Bluto with a hook and then buried under a pile of scrap metal. Thinking he had dealt with Popeye, he was just about to laugh triumphantly, but didn't realize that Popeye was now terrifyingly strong. Before he could react, he was punched by Popeye and temporarily knocked out of the competition. After dealing with the obstacles, Popeye realized that Oliver was still sleepwalking on the steel beam. Fortunately, he was about to reach the end of the pipe, so Popeye quickly moved to block him. However, Oliver still showed no sign of stopping. Just as Popeye was getting anxious, Oliver suddenly woke up with a kiss. It turned out that all along, his goal had been very clear.